So hello guys, today I will tell you how to type yeah how to make little bit of code which is used for the starter, like it's the starter code you can say. So guys, till the time I'm coming back with my shared screen, please like and subscribe to my channel. So welcome back, and I think that you have subscribed to my channel. So first, as I told you yesterday in my last video, first we need to come on my stuff. Then this is coming here we, because we made this, which I opened new project. It's coming here, but I want one more new project. So creating blocks. So guys, today I'm telling again, today we are going to learn little bit of code which you should know at the starting. I will tell you everything, all the x and y directions, everything. Eh, So guys, first take this, come to the event section and drag and drop this when flag clicked in this area. Then you will notice that something has come over here which you have dragged and dropped. Then you need to come on wait yeah you need to come on sensing and drag and drop ask what's your name here, ask what's your name over here, and under ask what's your name you will see the answer block and drag and drop it over here. You will notice that two blocks have come here. Then now click on this green flag button and see, it's straightly asking my name and not going to the question. So again drag and drop this ask what's your name, or right click on this ask and duplicate and drag and drop it over here. And to stop, you use this red color block and remove answer from here, drag and drop it at the side. And first you need to take when flag clicked, then ask what's your name, then ask what's your name, same thing, but you dragged and dropped the answer block and add it over here. So you will notice that three blocks have come and they all are joined. So now, and yes, you don't need anything to end it, like you don't need to add any block to end it. If you haven't added anything below, it will not going to do anything. Like I mean that you don't have to add any block to end it, like end this script. And now I'm going to click on the green flag button. See, it's asking what's your name. My name is Herschel. It is going to say the answer. So now I will, if you want that it stops for a little bit of time. Like see, if I click on the green flag, it automatically at the same time what's your name comes, uh, this speech bubble comes at the same time, and this answer question also comes on the same time. So if you want that it takes little bit of break, so come on the um, yeah, control section and drag and drop. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second, and I can change the time. I want 5 seconds. It should wait 5 seconds, and we don't have to add it over here. Remove this block from here and ask what's your name block here. Wait 5 seconds. Now go. See, it waited for 5 seconds, and yeah, let's do one more block, one more script. Let us drag and drop everything over here back, and then like now I will tell you about the characters. Like how can you get more sprite? These are called sprite, not characters. When you are going to open Scratch, the default sprite will be this cat, and the default name of the sprite will be sprite1. Now if you want to show your sprite or not, you can choose it like this. If you want to show it, then on the eye option, and if you don't want to show it, click over here. It is going to be hide, but it is going to come here. I'm going to do show, choose a sprite. Now I can choose any of this sprite. Now if I take this every walking, now I can change the size. Like I want the size to 10,000. Now the size is changed to 10,000. Yeah, now see, size won't change to 10,000 because it's more than the digit it has said. Like the at the end, like more than 280, it can be bigger than more 280. So I am changing it, and the default size is 100. So now I will do show. So I will make the same script which I made last time. Ask what's your name, duplicate, answer, and see. So now if I'm going to click on the green flag, so only the cat is going to respond. But if you want both of them to respond at the same time, right click over here on the when flag, click and duplicate, and add it on every, and left click on your keyboard, on your mouse, and see the same whole script came over here. And now if I stop it, and one by one it is going to happen. I'm typing hello. Now it is going to ask 2 times the name and hello. So I think Scratch is fun for you and me too. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends.